Hey everyone, welcome to this quick look at this GoolRC Amphibious remote control car, 8-wheel drive. Now, it's got some nice rugged looks and it's got some big tires. It's got a lot of surface area as well if you try to mount anything to it. I'm going to try to mount a little GoPro to it. And just running it here on some dry land. You can see it's got some decent climbing power. It's not a beast or anything, but at this price point, that's impressive that it can get over an incline like that off-road, and it does well. Sort of going rough terrain from smooth terrain to rough terrain. Definitely have some fun with this, even without running it near water. Again, I've seen other sort of cheap RCs like this that would never get this incline, so it's got a little bit of power, that 8-wheel drive. Give you a little boost. Definitely a formidable street legal vehicle. There's some mounted camera action, as I was saying. I like to mount cameras to RC toys wherever possible. Thanks everyone for watching, and remember to click like and subscribe.